Tech Ideas. In this video, I am going to tell you how to install Office 365 E5 trial in your laptop. So let's start. First, open Microsoft Edge and write Office 365 E5 trial. The first link is this link given in the description below. So after that, a pop-up box will come which will ask to stay in United States or in India. So you will click on stay in United States and click on free trial. Give your email, click on next, click on setup account, your first name, your middle name, your last name and your phone number. So let me give my phone number. So guys, now I have started I have given my phone number and here you have to write your email. For example, if I write Tech Ideas, check availability. So Tech Ideas is not available. So let me write one. Yeah. So next, you have to create a username. So for example, if I create it as Apurv, and I have to write the password. So let me write. So guys, the loading is successful and the account is created successfully. Click on sign in. So it will sign you in. Writing, please do not refresh the page. So this is our ID. We have to go to setup. So this is our admin portal. It is loading here. I will give the link of this Office 365 E5 in the description below. So in this, so this is the animation coming. Thank you for choosing and let's finish. Yeah, so you can install Office by here. You can click on this and it will download here. You can also download it from office.com. Click on sign in. So it will sign you in, new account. You can click on install Office and install Office apps to download it in your PC. You can get your account information from here. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. Kindly share it with your friends and relatives. Bye bye.